Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you equalize vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up, if you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with recording ourselves. We can record how we're playing instruments, drums, keyboard, or we can just use the audio recorder and record our voice that we want to edit. So let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here, and this is now going to open up this new page where we can get started with recording. So guys, if you want to go ahead and record yourself, you can do so right here by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen in the middle. So go ahead and click the red circle, and now you can go ahead and talk and speak, and this is going to enable us to go ahead and record ourselves, and now we can get started with editing our voice. So here we have the recording, and now we can go ahead and add effects that we want, such as monster, sci-fi, and so on. If you wish to add some effects, I'm not going to add any of those. What I'm going to do is go to the slider option right here in the upper left corner, click on the sliders button. That's going to open up your recording settings right here, and now let's go ahead and see, if you scroll down, where you can find the equalizer. So guys, you can see here we have the plugins and equalizer, and here is our effect equalizer and visual equalizer. So you want to go ahead and use these options for equalizing your voice to get the desired effect, and once you're satisfied you can just click on done, and then it's going to automatically save your voice, and this is going to be your new effect that you're going to be using until you get your desired track, and then you can go ahead and save it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.